Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to connect to a Mac via Jump Desktop. First, you need to install the Jump Desktop app on the device that you use to remote your Mac. Go to Jump Desktop's website, download the version for your device, and install Jump Desktop. You will need to create an account, which you will later use to log into your macOS. Next, connect to your Mac. Go to the following link and download Jump Desktop Connect for macOS. Not to be confused with the Jump Desktop app. You only need the Jump Desktop app on your PC, tablet, or smartphone from which you want to connect to your macOS. After downloading, just double-click on the file to install and follow the instructions. Click on Add a Remote Access User and then on Click here to sign in via your web browser. In the browser, select myself or someone on my team. Log in with your account. You should now see a success message. Here you will also get a link to give other people access to your dedicated macOS, if desired. After the installation is complete, we need to configure and allow Jump Desktop Connect to work on macOS. Open System Preferences. Security and Privacy. Accessibility. Tick Jump Desktop Connect. Now you can connect your device to your Mac via the Jump Desktop app. Just double-click on the icon, enter your password, and enjoy. Jump Desktop gives you the ability to configure keyboard shortcuts when connecting remotely. This is very useful when using a Windows keyboard. You can access these settings from the Jump Desktop app menu via File, Settings. There you can also configure proxy settings if necessary.